I have a phone addiction. I know it. You probably know it too. Every time I sit down to study, my phone buzzes. Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. Suddenly, 1 hour is gone. So I tried something crazy. I studied without my phone for 7 days straight. And honestly, the results shocked me. Let me tell you what happened. Day 1. I put my phone in a drawer. I set it to airplane mode. I told myself, just study for 2 hours without checking it. 2 hours. That's it. First 10 minutes? Easy. Minutes 15 to 30? My hand kept reaching for my phone. It wasn't even there. But my brain wanted it. Phantom vibrations. You know what I mean. I kept thinking I heard it buzz. But I didn't check. I pushed through. By minute 45, something changed. I was actually focused. Deep focus. The kind I hadn't felt in months. 2 hours passed. I finished studying. And I realized something. I hadn't thought about my phone for the last hour. I was too focused. Day 2. I did the same thing. Phone in drawer. Airplane mode. But this time, I studied for 3 hours. It was easier. My brain wasn't fighting me as much. And here's what I noticed. I remembered more. Normally, when I study with my phone nearby, I remember maybe 50% of what I read. This time, 80%. Why? Because I wasn't context switching. My brain wasn't jumping between studying and Instagram. It was just studying. That's it. Day 3 to 5. I started to enjoy it. No, seriously. I looked forward to study time. Because it was peaceful. No notifications. No distractions. Just me and my books. And my grades? They started going up. I took a quiz on day 5. I scored 94%. Normally, I score 75 to 80. What changed? My focus. That's literally the only difference. Day 6 and 7. By now, I didn't even miss my phone. I kept it in airplane mode during study time. I checked it after. And here's what shocked me. My total study time went down. I used to study for 4 hours with my phone. Now? 2 hours without my phone. But I learned twice as much in half the time. Because every minute was focused. No distractions. No scrolling. Just pure learning. The results after 7 days? My quiz average went from 78% to 92%. 14-point increase. In 1 week. Just by removing my phone. My focus improved. My memory improved. My stress decreased. Because I wasn't constantly interrupted. My brain could actually think. Now, here's the science behind why this works. Your brain has something called working memory. It's like RAM in a computer. When you switch between tasks, studying, phone, your working memory gets overloaded. You remember less. But when you focus on one thing, studying, your brain processes information deeply. You remember more. It's not magic. It's neuroscience. So, am I saying throw your phone away? No. I'm saying, create phone-free study time. 2 hours a day. Phone in another room. Airplane mode. No exceptions. Will you feel uncomfortable at first? Yes. Your brain is addicted to dopamine hits from notifications. But push through. Day 3 onwards, it gets easier. and your grades will improve. I promise. Try this for 7 days. Just 7. Put your phone away during study time. Track your focus. Track your grades. See what happens. I bet you'll be shocked, just like I was. Comment below. How many times do you check your phone during study time? Be honest. And let's challenge each other to try this. No phone. 7 days. Who's in? Subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy for more experiments like this. We test strategies so you don't have to. See you next video.